welcome back to the Budgie Boys blog. This is day 2 of providing the budgies with some grass seeds, and as you can see they're tucking in there. Of course they're turning their backs to the camera, not very polite, but hard to get birds to do what you want them to do all the time. As you turn them around. Oops. Like I say, hard to get them to do what you want them to do all the time. Yeah. Let's try that again. I'm trying to get them to come to my hand when I put my hand down on the floor. So I guess they're pretty good at that. Yeah, I'm all distracted. I let them walk on my shoulder. It's quite convenient to have them on the shoulder. Maybe I'll try and feed them some grass seeds on the shoulder there. Yeah, sometimes they're distracted and sometimes they do what you want them to do. Now they're sitting in my hands so you can't see them. It's some grass seed. No, still not going to eat some. Oh, that's the way the cookie crumbles. Are we going to eat some or not? No, not right now. Anyway, keep at it with your budgies and keep giving them little treats, because that is a bird's love language, the love language of giving and receiving of gifts. Cheerio.